Power BI 101 Webisode 1. What is Slicer in Power BI?
A slicer in Power BI is a visual filter that lets users filter data in reports. Slicers are interactive controls that can be placed on a report canvas. So how do we create a slicer? Let's check it out. Here we have employee data which contains 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, region, and total sales. I want to slice up the data based on region. Let's create a slicer for that. In order to create a slicer, we will go to the visualization pane. Then we will click on slicer. Then we need to select a column using which we wish to slice up the data. I will choose the region column over here. Now we can see the slicer is ready in front of us. When I click on North, the data for North region is being shown. When I click on South, the data for South region is being shown. Similarly with East and West.
Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like, and subscribe for easy tips and insights.